Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
There in Badarikashram, the personality of Godhead, in his incarnation as the sages Nar and Narayan, has been undergoing great penance since time immemorial for the welfare of all amiable living entities. Badarikashram in the Himalayas, the abode of the Nar-Narayan sages, is a great place of pilgrimage for the Hindus. Even up to the present, hundreds and thousands of pious Hindus go to pay respects to the incarnation of Godhead Nar-Narayan. It appears that even 5,000 years ago, this holy place was being visited by such a holy being as Uddhava, and even at that time, the place was known to be very, very old. This particular pilgrimage site is very difficult to visit for ordinary men because of its difficult situation in the Himalayas, in a place which is covered by ice almost all year. A few months during the summer season, people can visit this place at great personal inconvenience. There are 4 dharmas, or kingdoms of God, which represent the planets of the spiritual sky, which consists of the Brahmjyoti and the Vaikunthas. These are Badarikashram, Rameshwar, Jagannath Puri, and Dvaraka. Faithful Hindus still visit all these holy places for perfection of spiritual realization, following in the footsteps of devotees like Uddhava.